How would you like to reduce your food costs with 2 easy steps? I'm going to share those with you in just 1 second. Hello, this is Dave Scott Peters with TheRestaurantExpert.com. I feel your pain. Food prices are going up. I've got cooks that are overportioning. Heck, they're stealing from me. They're over-ordering. We're wasting product. You name it. Profit-robbing things that are being done in my kitchen on a day-to-day basis. How can I stop some of that and keep my money? Well, I'm going to teach you that right now. There are 2 simple clipboard systems, one called the Key Item Report, the other is a Waste Sheet. 2 very simple clipboard systems. The first one, called the Key Item Report, we start with our count. Let's say French fry portions. I start with 10. I prep 50. Together, 10 plus 50, I could sell 60. I go to my POS system, run my item-by-item sales mix report, PLU velocity report. How many items did I sell that had French fries? Based on that, I should have sold 50 portions. Well, take 50 minus my 60, I should have 10 still on the shelf. Now I take my happy little ass, I walk back in the kitchen, I count and I see if there's 10 there. If there's not, let's say there's 8, there's 2 missing, where should they be? Well, they should be on a waste sheet. We'll talk about that in a second. What does a Key Item Report do? It prevents theft. I'm going to take account on a daily basis or by shift basis using this form once, twice a day, depending on how much control I want, on my top 5, 10, 15 items. I'm going to make sure that those things aren't stolen. They'll steal something else, but not these things that matter. High cost items, things that are high volume. Now, remember I said those 2 missing should be on a waste sheet. And if they're not on a waste sheet, I have one of 2 things that happen, one worse than the other. I have theft. Worse than theft, managers not using the systems I put in place to control my numbers. Listen to what I said. There's theft, and worse than theft, managers not using the systems I put in place. That's how I feel. Now, the waste sheet is one of those things cooks don't want to use. They think it's an I gotcha. Like, write it down, dumbass, write it down. You burnt a steak, you're going to get fired. Wrong. It's a proactive management tool. Because wouldn't it be nice, instead of going to your manager meeting, your owner saying, hey, chef, why is your food cost high? You say, I don't know, I've heard Jose's been burning steaks, but I don't work shifts with him. How about I find out that Jose's burning steaks? And I can fix it today. I can reposition Jose, retrain Jose, or fire Jose if that's what it comes down to. Oh, tell me there's not a kitchen manager in the world that doesn't want to say, hey, that bubbly blonde, that server that is just wonderful person, but ain't so bright, right? Keeps running back to the kitchen. Don't make, when it's already been made. And double ordering. Wouldn't it be nice if the kitchen manager said, hey, GM, fix it, retrain this person, reposition this person, fire this person? Wouldn't it be nice to know that you seem to be over ordering tomatoes every single week because every Thursday you're dumping half a case? Now I don't have to order so many. I stop wasting product. So all of a sudden, these 2 clipboard systems stop theft and allow me to proactively manage my kitchen. When I see there's a problem, I get to fix it. When? Today, not 15 days in the end of the period, when I get my P&L and I say, hey man, chef, why is your food cost? I say, I don't know. And you've made the same dumbass mistake for 45 days in a row. I get to fix it today. See, when I learn 45 days later, it's too late. These 2 clipboard systems will reduce your food costs, they will give you control in your kitchen, and you will lead by standards. They're really, really powerful. Now look, if you have a system simple like this that could help others, do me a favor, put it in the comment section below and share. This is a community. Also, before you go, make sure you subscribe now because I'm going to give you tips like this on a weekly basis. And maybe hit that little like button, help a guy out. Last but not least, in about 2 seconds, I'm going to share with you 2 more videos you just might like.